This video is a quick demonstration on installing a timing gear for a barrel shaft on a 500 machine. These Cradle timing gears go on each individual barrel shaft. Step 1. Grab a taper lock bushing and a key block with the pin insert. Step 2. Place the key in the key seat, making sure the pin goes through the drilled hole. Hammer it in for extra security. Step 3. Prepare the timing gear by tightening the two set screws to secure the taper lock bushing to the timing gear. Step 4. Place the timing gear on the shaft with the screws downward facing. Tighten the screws enough for the bushing to grip the shaft. Step 5. We align the cradle gear with the main gear. The cradle gear is a little low, so we push it upward with the hammer and the metal block. Now it's aligned with the main gear. Step 6. Fully tighten the set screws on the gear bushing. Use the timing belt as a counterforce to help in tightening. The timing gear is installed.